Hi guys, so today I'm going to make a really simple clay worm, and it's going to look really nice on a bookshelf, maybe on the I'm gonna make three worms actually. So I'll show you how to make one so you can make the rest of it. So I hope you enjoyed. These are air dry clay and of different colors as well. You can use whatever colors you like, and if you are new to my channel and haven't been here already, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the bell icon to get a video every week. So then let's get started. So there you go. I'm just adding in the final touches where I'm adding in the eyes. I'm going to glue them into the clay, and this is how it looks. I really hope you like it, and if you do like it, don't forget to hit that like button and leave a comment for me. And if you would like to buy products on my Redbubble shop, the link is in the description box below, so check it out. And I really hope you like my video, and if you have any questions, comments or requests, let me know in the comments below, and I put some next videos for you here as well. And don't forget to hit on my face logo to subscribe to my channel. I bring a video every week, or a short as well, so check it out. And if you have questions or requests, actually, let me know in the comments below. So I hope you really enjoyed this video, and I hope you watch more of it in the coming weeks, and I'll see you next time. Bye.